Good morning, pairs. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve pulley problems in physics. When we draw the individual diagrams, we quickly see that both objects possess a force of tension. Since they are attached by the same rope, the tensions would be the same. Because we don't know the force of tension, we can't directly solve for acceleration. But we can make this problem simpler to solve. The only thing the rope was doing in the problem was changing the direction of the force of gravity from box B. In other words, the weight from box B was being redirected by the rope to move box A along the surface. Just because the rope redirects the weight of B does not mean that the weight and tension are equal. If the boxes are accelerating, they will not be equal. Now we see that the force of gravity from box B is providing the force to move box A. We could forget all about the pulley system and just pretend that the box is being pushed with the same 157 newtons of force. The next step is to apply Newton's second law. The net force is equal to the total mass of the system times its acceleration. Since block A is not moving in the y direction, the net force there is going to be 0. And the normal force and weight is going to be balanced since both blocks A and B have mass. Because both blocks A and B have mass, they will have inertia that will affect the acceleration of the system. Newton's second law would require us to take the total mass of the system into the equation. The next step is to find the net force. Since we don't have any friction or other forces, the only force we need to include is that 156 newtons. If the problem had friction, we would need to include friction. Then we'd have to subtract it here. Now we just need to solve for acceleration. Put the numbers in the calculator, and there you would have your answer. That is how you find pulley problems in physics. And this is the end of the presentation. Good day. Thank you for being an attentive audience, and I hope you learned something today from the presentation of me and Lothario.